بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
So, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I want you to listen. Keep the emotion to the end. This is a serious issue. My salvation is hung on the cross of Jesus. If my salvation is on his cross, Jesus Christ have to make an explicit statement that, look, I am coming to die for you. He never makes such a statement. It was written about him more than 300 years after him. Who wrote the book of Matthew? You ask him, he will say Matthew wrote it. Matthew did not write the book of Matthew, which you quoted from. How do I know? The book of Matthew, chapter 9, verse 9. Listen to what happened. It says, while he, Jesus, was going out on the way, he saw a man sitting on a tax collector's table. And Jesus said, follow him. And Matthew rose and followed him. Did Matthew wrote this book? Matthew did not write this book. Someone else was writing. If Matthew wrote it, it would have been while Jesus Christ was walking on the way, he saw me sitting down and he said, follow me, and I rose and followed him. But this one, somebody else is writing these books. I'm telling you. So, Mr. Lazaro, I hope next time you bring your guru, your pastor, your big man, so he could talk to me. But it looks like I'm fighting with Mike Tyson, fighting with a kid. That's how it looks like now. I'm not feeling it. You didn't give me anything. 30 minutes wasted for nothing. Talk about the issue. The issue is salvation through Jesus, through the Bible or through the Quran. And you've never taught these subjects. All you do is to will quote some Buhari somewhere, some books. Talk to me about salvation. But I'm giving you quotation. I'm proving from your book that Christ did not die on the cross. And the evidence is so clear. But the books as it is being changed. Where? In the book of Jeremiah, chapter 8, verse 8, it says, do you think that we have the law of Moses in our hand? No, the pen of those who write the Bible have turned it into a lie. I didn't say this way, it's in your book. Jeremiah chapter 8, verse 8, I repeat, Jeremiah 24:24, Jeremiah 8:8. The New International Version said, think not that we have the law of Moses and the prophet in our hands still. Behold, the pen of the scribe have turned the Bible in vain. They turn it in vain. And the Quran confirmed, فَوَيْلٌ لِلَّذِينَ يَكْتُبُونَ الْكِتَابَ بِأَيْدِهِمْ ثُمَّ يَقُولُونَ هَذَا مِنْ عِنْدِ اللَّهِ لِيَشْتَرُوا بِهِ ثَمَنًا قَلِيلًا فَوَيْلٌ لَهُمْ مِمَّا كَتَبَتْ أَيْدِيهِمْ وَوَيْلٌ لَهُمْ مِمَّا يَكْسِبُونَ. Woe unto those who write the books with their own hand, and then they say it's from Allah, so that they will sell it and make some benefit out of it. Woe to the hand that writes it, and woe to the benefit they make out of it. Bas.